Maximizing your personal finance. Best strategies for investing $70,000 cash. Generated by Oracl AI, ready to record. Title options. 1. Maximizing $70,000 investments. Top strategies for financial growth. A. 2. Skyrocket your wealth with $70,000 investing. B. 3. Master your money. Invest $70,000 wisely. C. Thumbnail concept. The thumbnail should feature a vibrant, high-quality image of a stack of money or a calculator on a wooden desk. The text should be bold and easy to read, with the title written in a large font at the top, followed by personal finance tips below it. A subtle background gradient could be added for a professional touch. Hook script. On screen, $70,000 cash. Imagine having $70,000 to invest. The potential for financial growth is enormous. But with so many investment options out there, where do you start? In today's video, we're diving into the top strategies for maximizing your returns on a $70,000 investment. Full video script. Midnight to 0:30, intro. B-roll, animated text of the title, upbeat music. 0:31 to 2 o'clock, Section 1, Introduction. Welcome to another personal finance video. Today, we're discussing one of our most requested topics, how to maximize your returns when investing $70,000. Whether you've recently received a large bonus, inheritance, or are simply looking to boost your investment portfolio, this video is for you. 2:01 to 4 o'clock, Section 2, Diversification. First, let's talk about diversification. Spreading your investments across various asset classes can help reduce risk and increase potential returns. We'll explore different types of investments such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. 4:01 to 6 o'clock, Section 3, Research and Planning. Research and planning are crucial when investing a significant sum. We'll discuss the importance of understanding your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon before making any decisions. 6:01 to 8 o'clock, Section 4, Long-term versus short-term investments. Next, we'll delve into long-term versus short-term investments. Each has its advantages and disadvantages, and knowing the difference can help you make informed decisions. 8:01 to 10 o'clock, Section 5, Considering fees and taxes. Lastly, we'll discuss the importance of considering fees and taxes when investing. By understanding these costs up front, you can avoid unnecessary losses and maximize your returns. 10:01 to 12 o'clock, Conclusion. In conclusion, investing $70,000 can be a powerful step towards financial freedom. Remember to diversify, research thoroughly, and consider fees and taxes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Video description. Title: Maximizing $70,000 investments. Top strategies for financial growth. A. Investing $70,000? Watch this. Money with Wings Money Bag. 0:30 Introduction. 2 o'clock Diversification. 4 o'clock Research and Planning. 6 o'clock Long-term versus short-term investments. 8 o'clock Considering fees and taxes. 10 o'clock Conclusion. Timestamps, affiliate links, and hashtags added here. Tags. Personal finance, investment tips, money management, wealth building, stock market, bonds, real estate investment, retirement planning, taxes, fees, diversification, long-term investments, short-term investments. Pinned comment. Thought balloon: what's your favorite investment strategy for a large sum like $70,000? Let us know in the comments. End screen script. 10:01 to 12 o'clock, end screen. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more personal finance tips. And don't forget to check out our previous videos on affiliate, budgeting and affiliate, retirement planning. See you in the next one.